Funda isiZulu noLungile Palesa Zondi. Namhlanje sizofunda ngezingcezu zenkulumo, which are figures of speech. We have 6 figures of speech kwisiZulu and sizozibiza sithi there are 6 siblings. And kulezi ngane zandawonye eziyisithupha, there are 4 which have kids and there are 2 which do not have kids. Asizibone. The first sibling has 2 children and 4 grandchildren. Igama lakhe uSobizo. uSobizo unezingane ezimbili. Eyokuqala ibizo, which we call noun. Ibizo does not have children. Bese kuba isabizwana. Isabizwana, we call it pronoun. Isabizwana has 3 beautiful kids. The first one, siyibiza isabizwana soqobo, which is original pronoun. Then the second one, isabizwana sokukhomba, which we call directive pronoun. Then the last one is isabizwana sokubala, which we call quantitative pronoun. The second sibling has 4 kids. Igama lakhe isichasiso. Isichasiso has izingane ezine ngaphansi. Ingane yokuqala is Paulo, which we call accusative. Elandelayo isibaluli, which we call attribute. Eyesithathu ongumnini, which we call possessive. Eyesine inani, which we call total or value. The third sibling has 2 kids and we call her Isilandiso. Isilandiso, the first child is called Isenzo, which is a verb. The second child is called Isibanjalo, which we call copulative demonstrative. The fourth sibling has 2 kids. Her name is Isikhanyiso. Isikhanyiso, her first child is Isandiso, which we call adverb, and the next child is Isenzukuthi, which we call idiophone. Kulandele isibabazo. Isibabazo is the 5th sibling, which does not have kids, and ngesingisi we call it interjective. The last born, we call her isihlanganiso, which is called conjunctive. That's all. Izingcezu zenkulumo seziphelele ziyisithupha. For the next video, I will be breaking down each one. So please join me on the next one and make sure you subscribe so that you'll be notified on the next video.